Kick those. You going to an NBA YoungBoy concert first?
Don't this food look good?
We got a function in the country of California. We out here on the open road, boy. Still, y'all, it's your boy Chefquail. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the video, hit that noti bell, y'all. I'm gonna start vlogging more, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all that. I'm gonna start letting y'all know what I'm on, how I'm doing it, cause y'all don't be seeing this. They don't be seeing it. They got a lot of animals, what's that, livestock, hay, mountains.
In the middle of nowhere, basically.
And I'm gonna tell y'all what we finna go cook, bro. Cajun style, po' boy. How much is it much? Boys, catfish with the fried shrimp, bro. The shrimp look fire, boy. You hear me? So we doing that today, too, like I always said before a party, like, we finna smash this, we finna smash this. So we're gonna get up with y'all when we get to the party, y'all. Look at the view. It's beautiful. Number one. I'm talking, yeah, anyway.
Exactly.
But this actually more.
You know what's so funny? You been trying to stop the video, and I just kept the camera on you, and like, if I just keep the camera on you, you just keep talking.
Yeah,
like, you just gonna keep talking, even though you been trying to end the video. It is the police. Oh, is it?
If you see the police, y'all make sure you slow down ahead of time.
So we made it, guys.
Oh yeah, so we made it, y'all. We in Fillmore, California. What we finna do is unload it. Let's boogie. With Chefquail, you already know what time it is. We in the burbs. We is in the burbs, y'all. Come to the burbs too, y'all. Trenches, the burbs, wherever. Guys, we finna get every single thing in the back, and then I'm finna whip it up. You already know Chefquail don't play like that, boy. You already know. Alright, so what we doing, y'all? I got my hibachi drip on, y'all. I got to update my uniform for catering, things like this. We're finna drop the oil, y'all. We're doing the outdoor camps. Anyway, y'all, feel me? It's your boy Chefquail. Don't matter what the terrain is, y'all. If I was camping, I'm making some gas. Trust me. So what we're gonna do is let me get some hand sanitizer. Set up.
Hold on.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Chicken po' boys. Golden brown, y'all. Let's see what's going on here. Stop playing. Make that be good. Still, y'all. It's your boy Chefquail. People think I'm only good with the hibachi, boy. I do the others too. Look at that. Look at that. That's platinum. Look at that. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, Popeyes could never. Nah, Popeyes got that. But we outside, look. Now this is worth
it. God. Say it again.
We got the good potato salad, boy. You know what I'm saying? Come on, y'all.
Oh, my hand. Okay. I'm gonna wait till you get a lot.
When they say when is it to stop? Tell me when to stop, y'all, right? Tell me when to stop. Alright, y'all, we're gonna lay the catfish down flat when you get in there. Just lay it on in there, right? We want it to fry up. You guys, the edges might curl, but overall we want it to lay down straight. Boom. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna lay them down flat like this. Lay them down flat, boy. Boom. You can add one more. This is water pieces coming out, lay down flat. You see the edges kind of curled up right there. And then, by the way, does it look like chicken? Does it look like a chicken tender, or does that look like catfish? I don't know. Does that look like?
Stop.
Just that video. Does it look like a chicken tender? Or do I look like cat?
You can talk now, blogger.
Alright, y'all, vloggy vlog. We taking the shrimp out. Come with them low ass shrimp, boy. I come with some big old things.
They have jumbos too.
But how much it costs?
No, there's definitely.
We just was at Popeyes last night, y'all, so they got me mad last night. I ain't feeling hungry, so.
Wait, what? What happened?
Because they only had a 4-piece, and I'm trying to get a 5-piece, and they act like that's impossible, bruh. And it only come with one side.
He just wasn't a helpful worker.
Like,
You know how sometimes, like, I think, like, when you're in the hood, they try to help you more, you know?
nah, in the burbs. That's in the hood. We're not gonna act like that ain't the hood.
No, I'm not saying the neighborhood. I'm talking about, well, I don't mean more in the hood. Honestly, I mean more. Those look so good.
I'm gonna drop some more, y'all. I'm gonna drop the rest of them. The fries are going. The fries are looking good. The crisp smells.
Wait. Okay, you show it now.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you know what? Vegan
A raise? Give me a paycheck first.
Can I get a paycheck first? That's why I need y'all to like the video, share the video, get me popping so I can get some money on it. Like, damn. Because YouTube, like, jeez, can I get some? You see, I'm out here hustling hard. If YouTube was popping out, you think I'd be doing this many parties? Think.
What?
If YouTube was popping, I'll be at home making videos, y'all. But I said I'm out here cooking. You feel me?
You might need 2 pans, huh?
No, this that good. Hey, yeah. You know how the po' boys be? They be like a little stale, crusty on you.
No, I don't want mine like that. Sorry.
That's how you like it. Do you like the one in New Orleans? That's what you like?
I like Orleans, New
It's
York,
a
too.
nice little,
But I know what she means about the Southern. It doesn't taste Southern, the one at Orleans, New York.
that's what I'm saying. This tastes Southern. Because I was just down south for it. They let the wrong one down south. I'm going to say that. So we're going to proceed. If you
That
the
fries
same
almost
thing,
done.
momentarily. Yeah.
See, like, this is pissing me off. Exactly. Oh, excuse me, vlog. What?
I said these are the shapes you chose. Alright, y'all, so we're done with the buns. Hold up,
I like big butts and again I like you.
Alright, get Chefquail. Don't this food look good? Alright, here we got the French rolls. We got the fried chicken, y'all. Trust me, fire. We got the catfish that look like fried chicken, but it's catfish, y'all. We got the shrimp. We got the tomatoes. Who seasoned the tomatoes? The Chefquail did. We got the carrots. We got the cheese.
Carrot.
Dang, y'all, no carrots. Y'all take that back. I take that back. I was tripping, y'all. Hey.
we got some all black kick those. We're going to an NBA YoungBoy concert first. So we're gonna need these. You know what I'm saying? And one of my foots is bigger than the other. So I got 111 and a half, 112. Y'all, fun fact about your boy. Feel me? So after y'all get to eat, after y'all get to eat y'all good hibachi, y'all get to eat y'all good hibachi, I gotta get me some goddamn cheesecake factory. We got some good cheesecake. I will show y'all what we got. But it ain't your business, alright? We got the kick those from JD, y'all. If you got a special to get some more shoes from there, leave it in the comment section. Like if you work there or something.
For a discount. That's the sun, boy. You think I left the lights on in the car? That is a freaking reflection. Why would this one be on and not this one? Idiot. Always talking mess.